Hello everybody, how are you all? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewer, come closer to me and watch this video only for 4 minutes at 39 seconds. I'm sure you'll never lose your time to watch this video. You must select one of the designs. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of beautiful and unique video. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet tops. So we'll be going over techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crochet tops. A crochet top is a handmade garment created using yarn and crochet hook, featuring open work to texture pattern, lightweight, stylish and often customizable. It's popular for both casual and boho-chic looks, especially in warm weather. Here are some benefits of practical using when it comes to make or wearing crochet top in today's fashion and lifestyle context. The first and the main one is creative and therapeutic benefits. Stress relief. The repetitive motion of crocheting is calming and meditative. Boost mental health. Help reduce anxiety and symptoms of depression. Improves focus and patience. Requires attention to details and patience. Enhances motor skills. Great for hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Sense of accomplishment. Finishing a garment builds confidence and pride. Fashion and style benefits. Customizable fit. You can tailor a top exactly to your body shape. Endlessly unique design. Every piece can be one of kind, trendy yet timeless. Crochet has cycled properly and often merge vintage with modern. Seasonal versatility. Suitable for summer light cotton tops or winter layered wool style. Layering potential. Works well with other pieces for stylish outfits. Sustainable and eco-friendly benefits. Reduce fast fashion waste. Handmade means less reliance on mass production. Eco-friendly materials. Use organic, biodegradable yarns. Durable and repairable. Crochet tops tends to last and are easier to mend than machine-made clothing. Economic and practical benefits. Affordable hobby. Yarn and hook are relatively inexpensive compared to many crafts. Marketable skill. You can sell handmade crochet tops online or at markets. Gift worthy. A handmade top is a meaningful personal gift. Community and educational benefits. Social connection. Crochet circles, online groups, and workshops foster community. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.